The two biggest cities in Adair County have some of the highest sales tax rates in the state. But the taxes aren't raising enough money to take care of the needs of the people because nearly 28% of residents live below the poverty line. Community leaders say their future depends on job creation, but luring businesses to take root there comes at a cost that may be out of reach. In 1910, the population of Adair County in far northeastern Oklahoma was 10,535 people. In the last 115 years, the population has only grown by about 12,000. The county seat is Stillwell. Community leaders recently gathered to talk about the state of the Adair County economy and its future. Firefighter Kevin Stumer has worked for the city of Stillwell for nearly 23 years.
If the young people don't stay here, we'll dry up and blow away because a lot of us are getting older.
Sheldon McLeod is the city clerk and treasurer.
I can say we can exist on our current revenue streams, but I don't think we can flourish. We have been, in my estimation, behind other communities in quality of life issues.
Bill Rodenbeck is the mayor.
It's been that way for years, and we haven't had enough growth to change it. And that's what we're looking at, is growth to help change the economy.
According to the latest information from the U.S. Census Bureau, 23% of Adair County adults are living below the poverty level, well above the state average of 14.6%. With little buying power, it's hard to increase the general revenue fund, which is reliant on sales tax receipts. The county recently passed a 1-cent sales tax hike to make needed repairs to the crumbling courthouse and add money to the Adair County Jail Trust. That hike has just about taxed county residents to the max.
That took our sales tax here in Stillwell to 9.75%, and those in Westville to 10%. There's a constitutional limitation on taxation, and taxation cannot exceed 10%. So if our voters were to approve an increase in sales tax, it'd be 1/4 of 1 cent, which would generate about $12,000 a month.
Revenue is needed to make the old Tyson deboning plant attractive to prospective businesses. It has been vacant for 10 years.
We need to be sure that our infrastructure, including our ability to provide them water, sewer, and electric on a reliable basis, is paramount.
Transportation is also a concern.
The biggest thing that kills us is, we're halfway in between Interstate 40 and 412 on a 2-lane. If we were 4-lane, industry would help boom.
On the plus side for Adair County is the accessible rail line, which is underutilized, and the setting is picturesque. It's nestled in the foothills of the Ozark Mountain Plateau. Adair County is part of the Illinois River Basin and has several creeks and streams. 3.6% of Adair County is water, making its cost low.
I think places would be shocked if they knew what a gold mine we were sitting on. And as far as the utility side of it, we produce and sell to 4 of the 5 rural water districts. We have access to water, and as everybody knows in the news, that water is a scarce commodity.
The city of Stillwell is working to make the quality of life better. A park and sports complex was completed 5 years ago, and the $4.2 million investment is now paid off. Another plus, Adair County is in the heart of Cherokee country. Cherokee Industries employs some 600 people in the county, and the Cherokee Nation is a huge benefactor to its tribal citizens. Deputy Chief of the Cherokee Nation, Joe Crittenden, says the tribe's economic impact in Adair County is about $60 million.
We share our revenue from our car tag sales with the schools in the 14 counties. Each Indian student, each Cherokee student going to public schools, it gets around $140.
The Cherokee Nation is also sharing its wealth by building roads and bridges as well as houses for its citizens. And the Wilmot Mankiller Indian Health Center has recently been expanded.
We've doubled primarily Mankiller Clinic out here. We place a great value on our health of our people.
Despite the tribe's help, Adair County residents remain some of the poorest in the nation.